friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoplay on threads. You click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we go to Bumble. You will click on threads like this, and you will click here. Then we click on first stop, and you will click OK. Here you will enter the storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time.